How to import beats to BandLab. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. Open BandLab, click on Create at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find two options, Songwriter and New Project. Click on New Project to add your beats. After you've clicked on New Project, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Drop a Loop or an Audio. Then click on it. You'll find your device folder pop up. Select the audio where there is your beat. Press on open and it will be imported. Again, if you want to add the second beat, you can again click on drop a loop or audio and then drop it. In this way, you will be able to import beats. But if it does not support BandLab, what you can do is simply open new tab on your Google and then search change format MP4 to MP3. You can type in any MP you want. Select one website and then click on select file and select what you want to convert, and after you've converted, simply add it to your BandLab. And this is how to import beats to BandLab. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.